Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I drew this last night for somebody, trying to help them simplify how to do it. And then a viewer subscriber emailed me with a pretty good tip, something I've never heard of. If you go to Windows, Docker, and coordinates, and you take the polygon tool and you make a 10-sided polygon and type in 10 inches for the side. Now I need to rotate that guy 18 degrees because I want that to have a flat bottom. Whoop, 18 degrees. Now, create an object. We're going to make it a 9-sided and make it 10 inches. See, it already put the number there. And create an object. And that one I don't rotate, but it seemed like it's not, I don't know what back up. I had it on 18 degrees. Put that on 0, create an object. And see, this one I need to rotate 20 degrees. I don't know whether I should do this before or after. I want all these flat sides. Okay, I've got that one selected. I'm going to create an object, 8-sided, and make it 10. See how it changes as soon as I let off? And create an object. And see, that's not perfect either. Oh, I got to remember to move that to 0 and say, look at that. That's perfect. But I need a flat side. So this is our 8-sided, so I need to rotate it 22.5. See, I wanted that flat side. Now, see, it wrote 22.5 there, and that's what I wasn't realizing. Go up to Object. I'm going to go in and make this a 0, make it 7-sided and 10 inches, and hit Create. But I want to rotate. Man, oh, you know what? I can just flip it. There we go. Now I'm going to take that one because it's not going to really rotate. I'm going to create an object. I want a 6-sided. Once you got the hang of this, I think it would be pretty easy. And then just change that to 10. I don't really 100% understand why we're doing that. So 6-sided is 30 degrees. Whoop. And then create an object, change that to 0, make it a 5-sided and 10 inches. Create an object, make it a 4-sided, 10 inches. Create an object. Now that one I do want to rotate 45 degrees because I want a flat side. And now one more, create an object, keep your fingers crossed that it works, make it 3, make it 10 inches, 0, and create an object. Now, if we select all these now and hit B, look at that. It did, once you got used to doing this, if you didn't watch part 1, which isn't really part 1 because I didn't know I was going to call it part 1, but this, I'm going to really have to do some research on some more of this coordinate Docker and what it can do. But anyway, I hope that helped the person I was trying to help and somebody in the future, and thank you for watching.